when we talk about this particular initiative that has been taken by the railways, as we know that the railways has been helping throughout, and specifically when we talk about these trains that have been carrying oxygen tankers specifically to the national capital, looking at the dirt that we are facing, around 70 metric ton of oxygen will depart for Delhi from Raigad. Today around 150 metric ton has already been supplied to the national capital. But when we look at the need of the national capital that has been highlighted by the Chief Minister earlier today, he said that the national capital needs around 700 metric ton, and what the centre has allotted till now is 490, and what they have got till now is around 350 metric tons. So looking at this, all these steps are being now accelerated. All the supply of oxygen to the national capital is being paced, but still the national capital is grappling one after another. We keep on getting news that some of the other hospital is facing shortage of the oxygen, COVID or non-COVID, because in the end of the day, every patient needs to be treated. And looking at the number of COVID cases that are being reported every day in the national capital, it's quite high. In the last 24 hours, we saw around 24,000 cases being reported, following which over 300 people have succumbed to this deadly virus. So looking at that, the centre is making all efforts, and this is a part of effort where 70 metric ton of oxygen will depart for the national capital from Raigad to facilitate all these hospitals that are facing an acute dearth of oxygen to treat their patients. We've seen how in the past, one after another, hospitals were even forced to even approach the courts to make sure that all these oxygen cylinders reach these designated hospitals. So this is one more effort as promised by the central government to combat the dearth of oxygen in the national capital.
Oh yes. Right, and on that note, Madhurima, I want to thank you. We'll continue to put out all these details.